Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the Sonos Play 5 and see if it's the right speaker for your household.
Damn. Yeah.
God damn. Whew. This is an unboxing video, so we'll be taking a look at what's inside this box right here, and we'll be taking a look at how to set it up. I also ordered the Sonos One and the Sonos Base, so we'll be taking a look at those as well separately. Stay tuned for more. First things first, the box. It looks nice. It's one of those unboxing experiences that, and I've opened a few of these in the past, and they really are laid out like almost like an Apple product. You'll have the beautiful box, the nice packaging, and the smart way of opening it without breaking your back and ridiculous pulling and this and that. So let me show you how that works, and let me show you also what's inside here and what it contains. So first things first, you'll have this little tab here that you have to pull, and I'll show you here on this camera. See? So this little tab here that you have to pull, you need to basically remove that sticker. It's gonna go right here, and then do the same thing on the other side. Boom. Now, what these little tabs do is they allow you to just pull this up and hallelujah, hallelujah. Cue the angelic music here. This is the speaker itself. Nice. It's currently covered in plastic, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it that way and just take a look at the box real quick. Here is another little box, and it's very nicely protected. You have all the foam in there. Inside this box, you have a bit of literature, see how to set it up and whatnot. I'll show you also the wire that it comes with. This is the only thing that's gonna be plugged into the wall. That's it. That's the wire. And you have your Ethernet cable if you really want to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this wireless. Now for the speaker itself. Oh, that's smart. They put little tabs here right after you pull this licensing agreement sticker. There's a little tab here that makes it easier for you to unwrap it, so you don't have to take a knife like I do for everything and completely scratch your speaker. Wow. What I can tell from this speaker, the build quality is solid. I mean, I can already tell that this is not gonna be an issue. The front meshing here is metal. You have a plastic body, but a very tough one. And you have, I mean, the packaging itself was amazing. And then you have a very sleek design. The design, you can tell it's beautiful and great. And what's really cool with this speaker is you have these little feet at the bottom, and they're basically protecting the speaker or the surface that you're putting it on for scratching. You also have feet on this side, and you're wondering why? Very simply because you can turn the speaker like this, and you can have a vertical speaker and you can put it on the other way as well. So the idea here is you can actually have two of these connected onto the same Wi-Fi system, and you can have them running stereo sound. This is an amazing feature because that's what Sonos is all about. They're allowing you to connect multiple speakers in one environment to have a beautiful, crisp sound everywhere you are. So that's the beauty of these. Let me remove this plastic here. So satisfying. And there's your speaker. This is the bottom of the speaker, and this is the back of the speaker. And right off the bat, what you can tell from the back of the speaker here is you're gonna have your power cable that's gonna go right there, your Ethernet cable, that is an option that you can put right here, and you're gonna have your 3.5mm jack input, so you can actually go ahead and plug different auxiliary cables and have that running directly plugged in. You also have a syncing button here, and you have your touch interface. So these are not clickable buttons, they're touch buttons. You have here your center play button, and then the skip features on the side, and we're gonna go ahead and plug this in and show you the sound quality. All right, it's plugged in. Let there be light right here. So my screen right now will show you that it's unable to connect because I have an existing Sonos account. That's true, but what I'm gonna do is set up a new account, and so I'm gonna go here to fix it, more options, and then add another Sonos account. I'm gonna create an account here, enter an email address, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Enter my password. Yes, send it to my email. Why is this taking so long? Alright, we're back. Verify email address. Yes, please. It's verified. Done. Now set up your Sonos product. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and click continue, and then what are you setting up? We'll see here. I have a Sonos Boost. No. See products. Continue, plugged in, searching for products. Now this light here is gonna turn green. This is on the Play 5. It might be different for different devices. Done. It found it. It gave me the serial number to match. Set up this product. Yes, please. Get to accessory setup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the Wi-Fi on this device. Done. Perfecto. Cool. So now you're gonna press this button here in the back, which is kind of an infinite symbol right here. Nice. Press the button. It is connecting. That's gonna be your link button right there. And it's been added. So now you can name your speaker. I'm gonna go ahead and name this one the family room because that's where we're gonna have it. I'm not gonna add another product, but there is a few that we can connect afterwards, and we are gonna do so. So stay tuned and we'll take a look at that after. But for now, we're gonna update the speaker because it's out of the box. It might not be at the latest software update. It might take a few minutes. Just let it do its thing. Do not unplug it while it's doing this. So my software is not up to date. Registering product, begin tuning. So this is the tuning process. We're gonna go ahead and do it. It takes a few minutes. You can go ahead and skip this part if you don't want to. But what's really nice with this is it gives you the crispest sound for the room itself. Okay, so this is very specific to the room that you're gonna be in, and we're not gonna be setting it up in this room, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this later. Right now we're gonna add music. So add a music service. No problem. Services, you're gonna go ahead and add, I'm gonna add the Apple Music here that I have connected. I'm already a member. Open Sonos. And now you have access to music, so I'm gonna go ahead and play my playlist. Woo! That's not even near the halfway point.
I just flipped the switch. Flip.
That was at the max. This is a very good speaker. The sound quality is very good. The bass itself is incredible. This will definitely fill up a room. That being said, obviously with the True Tone activated, I will be able to scan the room noise and ambience, and I'll be able to get a better finish out of the sound. But that being said, right out of the box right now, it is incredible. We're gonna set this up in a larger environment to give you a test audio sound. I'm gonna be recording it on my external recorder and give you an idea of what that sounds like. Very easily doing very quickly. I'm gonna go and show you the features of this. So you have access to this app that allows you to connect a music service. You have obviously your settings here. You can search within the music service different things, songs, artists, albums, and whatnot. And you can search those. Now, where it becomes interesting is this is also an AirPlay 2 device. So you don't have to necessarily use this interface. What you can do is go ahead and use your Apple Music interface or Spotify, whichever one you prefer. Google Play Music I think also has this. And so you're basically on your phone taking a look at the music you have, and the same song I'm going to put on. It's playing on my phone, but now I can go ahead and do AirPlay and then put it into the family room. And now just like that. So your interface of your phone is now the same interface that you could be used to connect this speaker. So this speaker acts like your Apple TV or any other device that you can connect, like your headphones and whatnot, Bluetooth. It will give you the same ease of connection right here on any app interface. Same thing for a YouTube video. And we're gonna go ahead and put that speaker here and listen to that.
Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the Sony a6400.
And see if it's right for you. And so your volume control here of your phone become your volume control of the device. You can also use this here or down your volume. It was that simple. So now that your device is connected, there is many things that you can do from here. You can do line in as well, and line in is going to be plugging a 3.5mm headphone jack right here. So you have basically an auxiliary cable that you can plug into your phone or any other device. Let's say you have an existing system for a CD player and you absolutely want to have your CDs, which is understandable. A lot of people still have a great collection. You could plug this directly in the back here and have your CD player right here connected to an auxiliary port and play directly from there. Alright, so let's take a look at the Trueplay Tuning. So what you're going to do is pull up your app, you're going to go in System, and then you're going to go onto the device that you want to tune. So in this case it's Family Room for the Play 5, and then you're going to go down to Trueplay. Once you click on Trueplay, you're able to go and tune. And so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to flip your phone and rotate it like this, and then you're going to follow the instruction on the screen, but essentially it's going to test the noise all around this room, which is quite a large room. It's much bigger than what you see here. It actually doubles on that side and doubles on this side. So it's quite a large space area. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go around each corner up and down and see any hum or noise that needs to be canceled or echo from this room while this emits a signal. So you'll hear it. You can go ahead and watch the video. I'm going to go ahead and start. All right. And that was it. Now the Trueplay is done, the tuning is done according to this space, and so you should have the best sound quality. You also have features in the equalizer section, and you also have features in volume limiters, so you're able to set a specific volume limit for a specific room. Let's say you don't want to bother anybody and you know that that specific volume is the threshold. We're just going to do a quick audio test. So I'm going to play a track and you can hear it, and I'm going to gradually go from the lowest level to the highest volume level so you can hear how deep and amazing the sound quality is. I'll be recording this on the NTG4 Plus from Rode and on the Zoom H4n Pro external recorder. Probably asking yourself, who is this speaker for? Well, this speaker is for basically a space like this. Anybody that has ears and that wants to listen to music and has a space that they want to fill, this is going to be the perfect size for that. It's going to fill up this room very nicely. It's going to give you a great sound quality, and you're going to be able to store a ton of music onto the Sonos itself through the app. And you're also going to be able to use your music services or line-in features. This is a no-brainer for anybody that wants a great audio system with an amazing sound quality, and that wants to maybe match it with, I don't know, a different speaker. You'll have maybe one upstairs in the bedroom or another one in this room to have even a deeper sound. So great option for that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big old thumbs up. Hey, and I'll see you next time. Peace.